Hey, so if your Typeform embed is not showing up on your website, yeah, that can be super annoying. Maybe it's blank, broken, or just not loading at all. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it. First, go back to Typeform and copy the embed code again. Make sure you copied the full code. Sometimes a missing line can break everything. Next, paste the code into the correct section of your website builder. I mean, if you're using something like Webflow or WordPress, you need to use an embed or custom HTML block, not just a text field. Now, this is important. Typeform embeds rely on JavaScript. So if your site is blocking scripts, the form won't load. Make sure JavaScript is enabled and not restricted by your theme or settings. If you're using plugins, especially on WordPress, some of them might conflict with the embed. Things like security or optimization plugins can block external scripts. Yeah, this one's easy to miss. Clear your website cache and browser cache, then reload the page. Sometimes the old version is still being shown. If your website is using HTTPS, but the embed is loading over HTTP, it might get blocked. So make sure everything is secure and matches. Typeform gives you different embed options, like pop-up slider or standard embed. If one isn't working, try switching to another style. So yeah, those are the most common fixes for Typeform embed not working on your website. Usually it's just a small issue like code placement or script blocking. Try these steps and it should be up and running. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone.